Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can make a member of your team on Basecamp an administrator. So let us guide you through this. So guys, if you'd like to assign administrator roles to your team members on Basecamp, you will need to navigate to your home section, log into your account of course, and click into this admin button in the top right. From there, provided of course you are an admin, because only as an admin of the team you can grant these permissions, click into this button here, add and remove administrators. And here guys, in that field, enter the username of the member of your team you would like to make an admin. Just remember guys that the given user must be a part of your team here. So you will need to invite him or her first. Once the invitation has been accepted, you will be given the opportunity to enter the username here and to confirm by clicking into this button, grant administrator rights, and wait for the user to accept these. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.